Scoops it over Rizwan, and the ball will trickle down to 4. Hits the fence. Look, just a little bit awkward. This wasn't supposed to hit the fence. Mohammad Amir is looking disgruntled, as if he was shortchanged because he had beaten the batsman, I think right there, followed him, yet he somehow managed a 4, I think, off the glove.
Just enough.
A ball in, went across the line, and well, that's hit the middle stump. Length delivery, going across the line and paying the price.
Decent first over from Ben Sears, and he's deserved this because of the length. Whether this just slightly sits down clever. So took a bit of pace off, top of those bails again, the way he runs in, he hits the crease hard. It's a beautiful shot though. And just slightly over pitch, Ramiz, something we saw you do